Tax time can be stressful. Your inbox is full of receipts and invoices, but finding them when you need them is the real challenge. Now there's a better way. Get My Receipts finds receipts and invoices in your email and compiles them for you into a spreadsheet organized into 2 tabs, Receipts and Invoices. It even creates 2 new labels in your inbox, Invoices and Receipts, to keep everything organized. Plus, all your documents are saved directly into labeled folders on your Google Drive. Here's how it works. After you install the extension from the Google Chrome Web Store, navigate back to your inbox and click the cloudHQ button. Select Get My Receipts and then click Start Wizard to export receipts and invoices. Click the Start Get My Receipts button. Here you can specify the date range you'd like to collect receipts from. I'll select 2025 and then click the Start Export button. Success! The export is now running in the background. I can check the status of my spreadsheet at any time by going back to the cloudHQ button, selecting Get My Receipts, go to Dashboard, then clicking the Go to Dashboard button. My spreadsheets are in the process of being created. I can click here to open it. Get My Receipts has successfully located all of my email receipts and invoices and organized them into this spreadsheet. Never miss a write-off again or waste time digging for receipts. Get My Receipts does it all for you. It's like magic. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.